2001 Ford Explorer with a 4.0 liter engine. Yep, it was towed in. It cranks, but it won't start. Flat tire. I do have the battery in there cooking, so I got another battery in here. We're going to check the oil real quick because we need to check the oil. You always check the oil before you fire anything up. So, let's see. What are we looking at? Oh, what? Oh, there ain't no oil in it. What's going on here? Hold on, I gotta switch. Let's get you over here. Let's check that oil. Too hard to do it with one hand. Ooh, I ain't got no oil on there. Well, we need to put some oil in it. I ain't gonna try to crank this over with no oil. Alright, be right back. Let me go see what I got. That's used oil. I got some from the shop, so we'll use this one. There, that's the clean oil. Oops. Let's get some oil there. That's good. Now let's check it quick. Well, probably gonna take the rest of that jug, so that thing, no oil in it. No oil at all. Well, that sucks. Okay. Okay, there's some oil in it, there's none. Alright. Already pulled that off earlier, so let's spray it down. See if we can get this thing to fire off. Oh, let's see first. Alright, let's check if it's still popping. Fires up. It is. Well, we know it's something to do with fuel delivery. Starts fuel delivery. Plus, fuel delivery problem. Okay. Let's check that zerk fitting.
Hey, old man, what's the verdict?
Oh, she needs a fuel pump. So it's time to go hunt her one down and get her taken care of. As you all saw, I did all the test work that I needed to do to confirm that it's a fuel pump. We got a bad fuel pump. So right now, tomorrow actually, we're going to do it tomorrow. We're going to go grab a fuel pump for her. And then we got to get it moved into the shop so that we can have a little bit easier time with it. Wonder what time it is. Oh, what time? Alright, what time is it?
What time is it?
Yeah, what time is it? If it's anywhere near 5:30, we going home. 5:50? We going home. See you guys tomorrow. Alright, we're back. So we got the approval to get this fuel pump done. Well, again, fuel pump has got to get done quickly as possible. So it is what, 11 o'clock? It's 11 o'clock at night. I'm here. I'm gonna get this damn thing done. Got some cool tools. Plastic ones are probably not going to work, and I'll show you those in a bit. But I'm going to get this going so we can hurry up and go. Alright guys, remember how I said I was going to use our fancy tools to pull that fuel pump off? It's not happening. Somebody already did. They had a hose. It's already been cut. So those are going to do us no good. So I got it installed. I'm gonna have no choice but to not use this old hose that they had in there. I do have some fuel line hose. I'm gonna see if I got enough to make it work. Also, there was only 4 bolts holding the top of the fuel pump in. So I'm gonna grab some. I went to my nut and bolt cabinet. Got some nuts, bolts. I'm gonna put those in. Scare it down. No evap at least. Don't do your fuel pump like this. Replace it as a whole unit. Well, we got the new one going in. So, here we go. Well, it's running. I have no idea what time it is. But there's a lot of hoses down there that need to be replaced. Tires need to be replaced. It's got a lot of work that needs to be replaced on this. There's lots of rust. More rust than you can think about. ABS lights on. This thing's got a lot more rust than this guy has ever had. Suspension, all the rubber, all rubber hoses, everything has got to be replaced. I'm gonna take it out real quick, park it, bring my truck in, and go home. Like I said, that thing has got a lot of rust. Almost every piece of rubber on that thing is shot. The fuel system, all of it. The only thing that's good on that fuel system is that 3/8 fuel line I just put on it right now. There's more rust. It's the rust that's just driving me nuts. And then, you know, we're saying the fuel pump was replaced not too long ago. Well, yeah, somebody just monkey rigged it, and now it blew out right here. And so they didn't replace it. That tube would not look like that. It'd be all clear. That wouldn't look like that. That wouldn't look like that. I mean, yeah, it was hard. It took a while to get it done. And there was just more rust than I can think of. I gotta go. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna take a shower and sleep in as long as I possibly can. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Hey guys, it's Jason or Otter, whatever you want to call me, here at Oddballs, also known as J&J Automotive. I'm looking for some particular cars, and I got brakes for them. So I'm reaching out to anybody out there that has 1989 Chevy S10 2-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive, 1982 Celica, 1993 Honda Cord, believe. I think either Civic or Cord. If you guys are curious about how you can get these brakes for free, DM me and let's talk.